Hey, what's up, folks? It's Mike here from Net Gold, and I got a package in the mail from Canada. So, Psalms Natural sent me a package, and I'm super excited about it. Whatever. They sent me a package. I'm super excited to unbox it for you and show you all their stuff. So, if you're interested in that, watch this intro, let's watch this video, and let's get into it. So, this is the box, right? I have my P.O. box in the description below, and if you all have anything you want me to test out and try, you're more than welcome to it. Take my little nibbity knife. And boom. So first we're gonna look at here is the organic unrefined shea butter. This is straight up, just straight virgin organic shea butter. That I'm excited about. I'm excited about this one. Like you all don't know how much I love shea butter, and getting this straight unrefined shea butter. Oh yeah, so this is dope. This is gonna be fun, and I'm excited. And this one again would only cost you $12 for this 200 gram package. I don't know how much 200 grams is. I'm American, so we don't even do grams unless you're like a drug dealer, but whatevs. All right, the next one is this hemp vegan lip balm with tea tree oil. So it's organic shea butter, unrefined hemp oil, organic coconut oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil, tea tree oil, and candula wax. That's gonna be nice. Get this thing off. There we go. Nice little shrink wrapping too. That's class. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice. And then the last one is going to be the mint grapefruit scrub. Now, mint grapefruit scrub. As you all know, I love the fact that I can pronounce all these things, even though my reading is extremely subpar at the moment. But this, yes. So let's open this up. I love the shrink wrapping. So professional. I definitely need to get some shrink wrap for our company. Pop this open. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. Nice. Now, I will say some of the oil leaked out in the packaging, so I'm sure this have a little more oil in it, but I'm definitely liking the just the texture just off top. What was it again? Sugar. Oh my god, the smell too. Oh my goodness, what is this? Grapefruit, pepper. Oh my goodness, great combination. Oh my goodness, this thing smells great. I'm excited to try this one out in the shower tonight. Your boy's about to be silky smooth. So, we're about to try the mint grapefruit scrub tonight. And then the organic unrefined shea butter. Super excited about both of these things. Super duper excited. So I'm gonna make this happen. And then I'm going to end off. Now I'm gonna use the lip balm tomorrow. I'm gonna use it throughout the day and see how it holds up. Because use my kissers. My kisser things. So, yeah. So I can really feel the like the peppermint, the menthol from the peppermint, really like digging in deep. Especially since I'm sitting here scrubbing it in this. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. I can't remember the last time I gave myself a massage like this. I need to get my friend Alexis to give me a massage. Oh man, this feels good. This feels really good. It's very fine. Yeah, I like it. Oh, I like it. All right, so we're back here, and I gotta tell you, I love the stuff. Just gonna put it right out there right now. I enjoyed it a lot. So my favorite was the peppermint scrub. Oh, I love that stuff. So the menthol that's in peppermint does an amazing job of really opening up the pores and allowing that air to flow through for a nice cooling sensation. And I'm gonna tell you, my undercarriage was very cool. It felt amazing. It felt great, like a nice breeze. It was just a good time, really. And I really loved the consistency of it. So if you watch the video a couple days ago with the volcanic ash from Queen Helen's, you'll know I didn't like how abrasive it was because it wasn't very abrasive at all. And for me, I don't feel clean after using it. But with this one, with the sugar in it, did an amazing job. It dissolved beautifully. It just, Then it left me with a very nice sheen, a nice little coat of oil, right? So I didn't have to apply a cocoa. But actually, let me just show you that real quick. All right, so I just used the scrub, the mint grapefruit scrub, and I use it on my entire body. As you can see, I have a nice, I don't know if you can see it, I have a nice film of oil from the oils inside of it. So that's from the coconut oil, avocado oil, and the olive oil. You know, also the essential oils, but I have this nice film of oil on me. So honestly, I won't be using any of that shea butter tonight because I am already well moisturized. I used one of the black soaps, the Doo-Doo Ocean. I used the Doo-Doo Ocean soap as a pre-wash. And then I'm gonna finish it. I'll finish it off with the scrub here. So yeah, this is nice. Definitely nice. A nice mentholy feel. And I use it everywhere. So my undercarriage is feeling nice and breathable right now, and it feels great. So I'm excited about this. And let me give you all oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Look how nice the skin looks. Yes. I'm gonna give you all a update tomorrow. I'm gonna try the shea butter out, use that on my face, and yeah, we'll go from there. So thank you all so much for this one. Actually, what am I talking about? It's gonna be the same video. So just gonna cut to the next scene. Yeah, so that was me fresh out the shower. And I just gotta say, like, I love the way it just felt. You know, I love that nice, slick layer of oil. You know, it just feels really good. Because I used black soap first to remove, because I'm still using all this other black soap I have. Like this one, I can't remember. This one of the Sunflower Cosmetic ones. I think last night I used the Doo-Doo Ocean. So I'm still running through all that black soap because I bought it. So I'm gonna keep using just to give you all an update later on and see if anything changes. But I used the black soap to get the initial dirt off. Then I used the scrub because I wanted to make sure. So, okay. One way you can use, like when it comes to a scrub, a natural scrub like this one, is just the scrub itself. If you had a light day, no dirt, no real gunk or whatever, the scrub's gonna get rid of all that stank and then leave a nice layer of oil on top. Or you can soap first, like which I did, to get rid of all the dirt and grime. So when you do scrub, that nice layer of oil is on there. Or, right, you can scrub first and then wash with soap. But the issue with that one is the soap's gonna get rid of all those natural oils. So if you use like an artificial scrub or something like that, the Bath and Body Works, that's my recommendation, to use that stuff just to, you know, feel nice and pretty, and then soap it all off to get rid of all that stank. You know, I mean, not the stank, all the artificial oils on your skin, because that stuff is going to just leave you and start cracking your skin up. But of course, you have to apply butter after that, after all the oils are removed. But with this one, soap and then scrub, amazing. Like Chris came in the bathroom a couple times. I was in the shower and just said how good it smelled, and that's really good. If she smelled it from the bedroom, just that peppermint smell. Now, the shea butter, that was pure, unrefined shea butter. Smelled amazing, smelled great, and it absorbed beautifully into my skin. It's not really much I can say about it besides the fact that it felt great. It felt amazing. And if you want some raw, unrefined, not just a straight raw shea butter from the source in Ghana, that stuff was good. That stuff was amazing. You know, I'm gonna go through that pouch. I'm just butter my whole body. I'm just gonna be a real glistening baby. Boss Mick's gonna get some because he likes to glisten as well, and I know Chris is gonna steal some. So that one's gonna be dope. And then lastly, the lip balm. Loved it. And my main love for the lip balm came in the form of the tea tree oil. I love just having that nice, like, aroma just up in my nose, you know, from my lips. Like, oh my goodness, like, it felt good. And it glided on very well. And I love the packaging. Like, the oval shaped bottle was amazing to me, because we use the round ones and those slip in the pocket. But this oval one, it's like a little flatter, so we can just slide. Oh my gosh, I like that stuff. So Psalms Natural, especially if you're Canadian, I think this should be your go-to, really, because that stuff was nice. A very great quality. I loved it a lot, and I'm excited to finish it up, because I got a little bit of scrub left. So I'm gonna do some buffing of my nads, you know. So yeah, that's all I can say. Great quality stuff, amazing stuff, and I really think you should try it out. Give her a shot. Check her out. In the description below is a link to her website, and I'll link her Instagram account as well. And yeah, she's out of Canada, Toronto, Ontario. So out of Ontario, Canada. So definitely give her a shot. Drop a comment on her Instagram page. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I really hope you enjoy your day. Have a beautiful day. Do me a solid favor, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me do stuff in my life. I'm not sure yet. I'm not getting paid for these videos, but one day I will. So that'll help, that'll help big time. See ya. Clap-a-dap, do-dap, bow. Yeah, I mean, the stuff's good. I like the stuff. So I'm gonna use the last little bit tonight. What I got here, that's enough. And yeah, it's just good stuff. So definitely check her out. Give her a look-see. See she's for you. Oh, definitely good stuff. So thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And what the hell was that, a marker? I don't know what's happened. I'm using my GoPro. I don't know. But thanks again. Appreciate you all. Have a great day. And, see you.